In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in DAZN account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I'm open Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.dazn.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of DAZN. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the login or sign up interface of DAZN. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find the login methods like email, Google, Facebook and Apple. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to log in with my email address. So click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your account. Now after you enter the email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, click on the field of password and enter the password over here. Now after you enter the password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your DAZN account. So that is how you log in DAZN account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.